Hi, this is Justin with Social Networking Professor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own custom domain name, how to register your own custom domain name so that you can have easy to remember domains for each of your social networking accounts or for anything else you need for that matter. So the first thing you do to register your own domain name is go to infoready.net, infoready.net, and click on Create Account. Now, this page may change as you go along, it changes a lot, but you should be able to find a Create Account as an option. So, the first thing you need to do is click on Create Account. You enter in your information here. So, I've entered in this kind of mock information here: first name, middle name, last name, login name. This is important. This is something that'll make it so it's easy for you to remember how to log in. You're entering in your password. You're choosing a password, so you put it in twice, and you need to make a note of that somewhere. Your login and name and password. You're going to need both of those things. You have a password hint. So, for instance, let's say your password is your daughter's birthday. Then you might put for the password hint something like that, daughter, or the name of the daughter, or something that is kind of cryptic, but you'll know what it means. The call-in pin is for if you want to call in and make changes to your account. I just put in a 4-digit number, but I'll change that before I hit submit. And then your address information, phone numbers, the company name is optional. You can put that in or not. Your address information. Now, when you get down to here to the stay informed, there's one thing that you need to leave left as yes, and that is non-promotional notices that deal with changes to my domains. You want to leave that as yes. It's up to you. You can do any of these, but you don't have to. You can get a welcome kit by mail. We say no, and include registrant information in third-party bulk quiz. Again, you can put no on all of those. The only one that you really need to have on there is a non-promotional, because that's going to have effects on letting you know when your domain is actually up for renewal and stuff like that. So then you hit create account, and then you're taken into a screen that looks like this. We don't have any products, so it doesn't show anything really. And see, it says welcome. You can log in or log out. You can log out now because you're logged in. Now we're going to go right to registering a domain. However, I want to show you, if you had logged out, you would need to log in, which the login information is here on the top, before you would want to register your domain. So it should say welcome in your name and log out on the top, and then you're ready to register your domain. To register a domain, here at the top it has domain search. You just type in whatever you want your domain to be. I'm doing my name. And my name is taken. I've already used it, so I knew it was taken. But it does have justinmcquarter.info. So that will allow me, if I register .info, not only is it only $2 right now, the sales end and change, so I can't tell you it will be $2 before, but it'll usually be about $9. .info, I can have justinmcquarter.info, and then I can have twitter.justinmcquarter.info and facebook.justinmcquarter.info and all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the .info and click on add and proceed to checkout. Now you're brought to a screen that looks like this. By default, the registration length it has is 5 years. I'm going to set it to just 1. Also, by the default, it says your domain names are secured with auto renew, which means that it'll automatically charge my credit card in 1 year to renew the domain. Depending on how important the domain is to you, then you'll want to leave that on, but if you want to turn it off, you just click on it to change it to manual. And since this is just kind of a demo domain, then I'm going to do that. It has a few add-ons. I'm not going to go over any of the add-ons. You can just leave them off. And at the bottom it says select checkout preference, and it says it allows you to show deals on different products. I'm going to put no thanks on that. You click on continue. Now we're at the cart, and it'll show you the products. Now if you've accidentally added something, this is the spot where you can remove it. If you're really lost, you can empty the cart and start again from the beginning. You'll see that I have a price change here. That's because I'm logged in as a different kind of account, and so the price is set that way. And it lets you select credit card, or you can do pay by check or PayPal. I'm going to leave it on credit card, and you have to agree to the terms. The terms are up here above this, and you can print them out, and then you hit continue with checkout. Now we're in the payment screen. It'll let you put in your billing information. I'm not going to leave the video recording for me to enter in my billing information, but suffice to say, you put in your card number, the name on the card, expiration date. I wouldn't choose save this credit card information to the account, not because it's perfectly secure. There's not a problem, but it asks you for an ultra secure password then, and so it can cause a lot of extra heartache. So I don't worry about checking that. So you fill in the information, your billing information. If your credit card statement comes to a different address than what you filled out for your account, then you need to change that. It automatically puts in the information from your account, and you fill in all this information and click on place your order. And now your order is complete. It'll give you a place where you can print your receipt. You'll also get an email copy of your receipt.